Hi beauties, welcome back. So I am showing you how my face is looking. As you can see, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and whatever on my face. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do my brow, and I'm using my MAC Pro Definer Brow Pencil. I have it in the shade Stud to do my brow. I have oily skin, so because of that I love starting my makeup by doing my brow first so that my base will not come in contact with my brow, because I noticed that if I do my face like my foundation before my brow, then after some time the oil on the foundation and the oil that my face produces, they will start cleaning whatever brow products that I use. So that is the reason why I love doing my brow first, to make sure that my brow is out of the way. And secondly, I noticed that after doing my brow, I have the full view of how my face is going to look at the end of the makeup. Okay, yeah, but if you are the type that do your face before your brow, just do what works for you. But for me, I love starting with my brow because of my skin types, oil skin. Okay, yeah, so that is what I am doing now. This look, I achieve it within or even less than 10 minutes, but because I do show the product, I look at the camera and stuff like that, that is why it took more than 10 minutes. But then if I am to do it on my own, it just take me 10 minutes or less than that to do. It is a very quick makeup. Okay, yeah. So beauties, after my makeup, I go on to apply foundation. This is a foundation from MAC Cosmetics. Okay, it is an all over pen, meaning that you can use it as a foundation, you can use it as a concealer. So when it comes to my everyday less than 10 minutes type of a makeup look, I want to have a clean base. Like I showed at the beginning of the video, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and stuff like that on my face. So this foundation or this all over pen will give me a kind of an even base, 70% of an even base. Not that you will not see my hyperpigmentation, but then the coverage is going to look better than how it was before. Yes, and I'm using a very big powder brush, okay, to blend it. Instead of me to use a smaller foundation brush, I decided to use a very big brush so that the blending time will be a kind of short. Okay, it is also a tips when you are doing like a quick and a less than 10 minutes look. You look for products that will make the blending a kind of faster and easy. As you can see, within seconds I've already blended everything out of my face. As you can see, yeah beauties, I love using this brush from BH Cosmetics. Unfortunately, they don't have the brush again. I think they have the brand has gone out of a bankrupt. Yeah, so beauties, if you notice, the sand all over pen that I used all over my face is what I am using under my eyes and on my eyelid. I told you you can use it as a foundation, you can also use it as a concealer, and this is exactly what I am doing. And then because the area around my eyes is a kind of small, I decided to use a smaller brush to blend everything there out. And later I went on to use the brush that I used to blend my foundation, okay, to blend everything out for very fast and easy blending. Yeah. So whenever you are on the rush, look for a product that serves so many purposes, okay? If not, after my foundation, I will start looking for concealer to apply under my eye, but this is like two-in-one, foundation and concealer, okay? You can even use it to spot correct. If you have like dark spots on your face, you can also use it to spot correct your dark spots. Yeah, beauties. So if you're looking at my face now, you can see that at least I have now an even base. Okay, the hyperpigmentation on my eyelid has been covered, everything. Now the next step, beauties, is to set my face. So instead of me to use a setting powder under my eyes and then a finishing powder, I decided to use a finishing powder for the two purposes, okay, to use it to set my under eyes and then to set all over my face. Okay, by doing so you use lesser product, lesser time, and then your makeup still look good. So the powder that I used here was MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade dark. Okay, as you can see, I am using it to set all over my face, both my under eyes, my eyelid, every part of my face. I use it to set it. And then, beauties, after that, the next step is for me to apply blush on my cheeks. At this point, you can choose between blush or bronzer, but because I am a blusher type of a lady, I love, that color and that fresh look blush gives to my skin. So that is why I decided to opt for blush instead of bronzer. Okay, so like I said, you can choose bronzer. You can even apply bronzer and also blush on your face, but because of time, we don't have time to start applying and blending. Okay, yeah, so like I said, I am a blusher. That is why I opt for a blush rather than bronzer. Okay, and then, beauties, because no time to apply eyeshadow, I used the blush also to apply on my eyes, okay, just to have like color and warm on my eyes. Yeah, so there is no time for eyeshadow when it comes to like 10 minutes. You can apply eyeshadow if you want, but because the blendability might take me a little longer, that is why I'm just applying the blush all over my lid. If you use bronzer, you can also use a bronzer on your eyes, but because I choose a blush, that is why I am doing it. And now, beauties, honestly, practice makes perfect. Okay, I don't have long lashes on my eyes, and for me to have a noticeable lashes, I need to apply mascara like 5, 6, 7 to 8 times coats on my lashes. And then I noticed that the time that I will use to keep applying mascara and waiting for it to dry before I will go on to apply and apply, I can also use it to put on lashes. Okay, so it's all about practice. And then, beauties, while the lash glue is getting a kind of dry on my lashes, I went straight to do what? To do my lips. So here I am using my MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil and Fenty lip gloss, okay, on my lips. Yes, so here you can decide to like apply maybe just a gloss or maybe just a Vaseline on your lips, depending on what you want. Okay, so for me, anytime I am using a glossy a lip gloss, so to say, I love going on with my chestnut lip pencil. Okay, beauties, if you know a drugstore lip pencil that I can buy that is closer to chestnut, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, until then, let me just be using my chestnut lip pencil, even though it is priced, and honestly I use this every day. So if you know any recommendation, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, so as you can see, the face is looking fresh, it's looking like skin but in a better version. It is looking, natural, no too much drama to it. Okay, and now beauties, I am going back to my falsies. Honestly, applying lash glue directly on your eyes or on your lash line and then putting on falsies is the easiest way. I have short, coily, tight lashes, so you could imagine the struggle, but this has been the best option. Okay, if you're the type that apply falsies, lash glue on your falsies, that is good, but I have tried it and I'm not still getting it right. So I decided to stick with what works for me. So this method honestly works for me. Okay, if you want me to do a beginner detailed on how to apply falsies, beauties, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, and I will do the video. It is very easy. When you practice and you get hang of it, it is very easy. As you can see, I did not edit any part of this false lash application here in this. I did not edit anything out. This is raw because I just want to show you that even within 10 minutes, you can apply your falsies. Okay. If you look at the time that I was applying the falsies, it is almost 11 minutes plus. Okay. Just to show you that this is something that is doable. But it only takes practice. If you practice and you get hang of it, then it is good to do it. Yeah, beauties. So I'm just trying to adjust the falsies, making sure that everything is looking good. Okay, sometimes you notice that the falsies is sticking up, so I try to make sure that everything is good. Yeah, beauties. So what I did next is I decided to make sure that I am not having anything left out. That is why I am going back to my brow, okay? Just to comb the brow hairs and make sure that everything is looking good. And beauties, honestly here, I did not use concealer to clean my brow. Just to tell you how good this brow pencil is. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, give this video a massive thumbs up. Okay. So beauties, this is the final look. Can you see the face is looking like skin? It is looking fresh. And this makeup tutorial took me less than, honestly, 10 minutes. It's because I was showing the product. Okay, that was why it take a little bit longer. But you can achieve this makeup look, even with falsies, within 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to show you the tips and the tricks on how to achieve it. Okay, number one is, have it in mind you are doing a 10 minutes makeup look. Okay, and secondly, beauties, try to gather all the products you need. Only the ones you need. Okay, you put them there, your brushes, your makeup products, your makeup tools, whatever you need for that 10 minutes makeup look, you keep them where they are reachable. And another thing again is beauty. Use a multi-purpose product, especially this MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over pen. This can be used as a concealer. It can also be used as foundation. So I use this product for both concealer and foundation. And beauties, I also use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finished Powder in the shade dark as all over finishing powder, and also to set my under eyes. Yes. And then MAC Blush Resin, I use it to blush my cheeks. I also use it as eyeshadow, okay, just to have a kind of a color or warmth to my eyes. Yes, so that is it, beauties. And another thing again is brow pencil. Beauties, this brow pencil, because it is so skinny and precise, I did not use any concealer to clean my eyebrows, okay? So sometimes I plan what are the products that I'm going to use to make life easy for me in the morning, or maybe when I am rushing out, or maybe when I don't have that time to sit down to do a full face. So this brow pencil comes in handy. You must not get this product, but then if you can get a brow product that is very skinny, that will give you that precise application without you trying to use concealer to clean it. As you can see, I did not use concealer, honestly, okay? I just do the brow and then it is looking good, right? Yeah. So beauties, that is, how and tips and tricks on how to achieve a 10 minutes makeup look or under 10 minutes makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please kindly give this video a massive thumbs up, comment, like, share please, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I will catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe out there. Bye.